Hello everyone. Let's continue a little bit of process video for my little bird journal. Birds, where did I put cover? I lost cover. So we did this one as well. I do have to apologize a little bit for very yellow, this journal, very yellow videos. I think one more will come up very yellow because of indoor light. I found another light which is white, not yellow. So hopefully from now on these videos won't be as white. Right, so I'm a little bit playing around, and as always, I want to put some envelopes in. I made envelopes, folded ones. You saw it already, these ones. But I wanted to put in this craft envelope, but it's too big, of course. So what do we do? Usually we fold in half, right? So what I did this time, so envelope. So usually we fold on a half, and then we cut open a side or top for tags or journaling cards to put in. So what I did this time, I took this, how do you call it, and I turned it over, right? And then I folded it. So I already done it because I didn't want for you to watch all my covering. But what we are having now, look, we are having pocket here. We are having pocket here, right? And we are having tuck spot here. So I think that's quite fine, you know. I will be putting it in this little journal here. So it's gonna be pocket and tuck spot. So I covered it, and I covered this is a book page, and I'm not gonna cover, I'm not covering this, but what I was thinking, maybe to embellish a little bit. I just forgot to ink. So we can put something on. Like that. Right, birdies. I'm not sure I want little bird on. Right, I'm not sure I want birds on. I just went to pick some napkins, and I think just want to make sure you can see, like this roses. What else do I have? Is this too big? Peonies. It doesn't really talk to me. That's too big. That's about it. This one. This one, I think I will maybe use. Let's maybe just do. Let's maybe do roses, because here is some roses. Roses here. I can do rose here. I do decoupage. Right. And as always, I do decoupage on with glue stick. Right this way. Oh, this should cover nicely. Yes. Doing that. Nice and easy. Right, we cannot go without any roses, right? Just to make sure everything is done. Okay. And then the rest, so the glue will nicely wipe it off. And when it's dry, we can go over with ink. You can put some journaling cards, or yeah, for me most important is not shiny, so you can have a look. It's not shiny, then that's fine. It's all glue is off. And I tear a little bit of rose. Oh, shame. Okay, I will leave it as is. Right, and I think I will put the same. Okay. This way. Like that. So I have to be more careful not to tear it. Okay. I'm really concentrating, you know. Like that, and I'm trying. I'm just dabbing this time, I'm not cleaning, like pulling it off. Okay. Yeah, look, you can see here is no shine at all. So this is what I like, because otherwise that shine, I don't like that shine at all. Just right, so let this one to dry, and now here we can go over little bit with ink. Right. Okay, let's put this away. And now let's see what we can or how we can embellish a little bit more. I think I want this time on a side. But what exactly I want on the side? Oh, this is a nice, but it's like double thick. Double thick. Okay, actually I can use it on both sides. So I'm gluing here. For one side, and here for another side. That's great. Right. Okay. Is that the glue off? Need a little bit more grunge. Let's do some scribbles. Let's just do some scribbles. No, straight away is better. Straight away I feel better. So this would go in, and this stays anyway. So that means We can put something up there too. Is so much things on the table. I don't even know what to look for. Right. Let's have a look on white. Okay, and if we put white in here, now it's too heavy. Too heavy. And what if we do half? And what if we have something under? No, this is too like this. Oh, this is very nicely dark grunge. Okay, so let's do little, no white. Let's just quickly do a little fabric. Ouch! Cluster. Oi. Right, like this. Downwards. Yeah, this is my problem. I know where is my problem. Saying that, I mean, like, I don't make clusters and then I just put it on. I make cluster for each like page or each embellishment separately, and that does take time, and that's my problem. I know that. Yeah, I like this. And I want roast cheesecloth. Something like that. Yeah, that's a lot better. So I will go over sewing machine and then I glue down that white. Right, I stitched it down. It's a blue one, but that's fine. Right, I want that one. Let's close this cluster down. Like that. As always, I put too much glue on. Like this enough. Nice. Like that. something up there. I want something. I want something. Let's cut tiny, like tiny, like this. Do I like it? I think I do. But I'm not cutting whole length, just a little bit. Right. And look at that. We are having quite fine pocket. Red, of course, red. I think I can do little stitching. Where's this coming from? Okay. And you know where I can do stitching? Here is some empty space, not empty, some off space of that page. So I can do some kind of crazy stitching and just on that. And we are having beautiful pocket. Okay. Like that. Because I cannot stitch through is an envelope. You always have to think about that. So please guys follow, right, like and comment to get my videos a little bit more up, because as you all know, this is my second channel, and yeah, my subscribers are very low. No, thank you everyone who was joining. Why I'm saying that simply because I'm not really putting every video I am making on a Facebook or in any Facebook group. So just if you don't want to miss any, right, make sure they are subscribed. Maybe I just need a little bit more marks like that. Okay, nice. And all over that, we are finishing with little stamping, and I am done. Right, so all the coupage. So my lovelies, thank you so much. Hopefully you have some kind of inspiration, right, to do something, or at least you know to fold that envelope like that. I think that's quite fine. And this is really nice as well, actually, idea for small booklet to put in, because here, right, you can put in some pages, right, you can put in some pages, and you can have little duck here, and this works as a cover and the same time as a pocket. So that as well is really nice. Interesting, I think. Right, my lovelies. Thank you so much. I hope you had some kind of inspiration and see you very soon. Bye.